Hello there, Leo signs. So, tatalakayin natin ngayon ang zodiac sign ninyo, mga Leo. So, tingnan natin yung mga magaganda at masasamang kaugalian ng isang Leo. And, yung ano ang dapat at hindi dapat gawin when you are in a relationship with them. And yung differences ng Leo sa lalaki, sa babae. So, without further ado, let's start with their good traits. So, Leos are creative, fun-loving, open-minded, and passionate. Pag nakakarinig tayo ng salitang Leo, most of us think of a performer, love in a center of attraction, talented, and honestly, depende yan sa kanilang moon sign. This thing may be true, but one thing that is true for every Leos is that they have this constant flows of idea running to that fiery brains of theirs. So, they are for sure very creative. So, anything about Leo, dahil isa silang fire signs at lahat ng fire signs ay meron talaga silang physical na energy. Ang mga Leos, gustong gusto talaga nila na may kasiyahan, party, adventures, and when you are with the Leo, lagi ninyong maaasahan na hindi kayo maboboard dahil sisiguraduhin nilang na yung kasiyahan na yan ay totally magiging masayang experience. So, they can definitely be considered as a fun-loving. Although Leos are fake signs, which means pag naset na nila yung nararamdaman nila sa isang tao, they can be very focused. At hindi ka makakarinig ng kahit na ano pang tutol sa mga goals ninyo. Yet, they can be very open-minded and they can give you freedom to live your life the way you want. At another trait ng isang fiery Leo is pag ine-express nila yung kanilang emotions, nagiging sobrang passionate sila because they are fire signs. So, dating with them can bring a journey of the most excitement and deep emotions and connections. Now, in order to do your best para ang isang Leo sa buhay mo is operating from their positive traits, ito yung mga dapat nyong gawin if you're in a relationship with them. Number 1, do be confident. A Leo has an open heart at lagi silang nandyan para sa'yo if you needed them. Pero pag ikaw yung type na lagi na lang in need at paulit-ulit na lang na drama at paulit-ulit na lang nasasaktan, parang paulit-ulit naging biktima, kumbaga kung ikaw yung sobrang marupok at laging nagpapakita ng kahinaan, shyness, or lack of confidence, mawawalan sila ng gana sa mga taong kanyan. And more than likely, isa yan sa dahilan kung bakit naghahanap sila ng iba. Kaya if you want to bring the best of them, kailangan mong maging confident and always ready sa anumang hamon ng buhay. Dahil pag ganun ka, sasamahan ka nila or sasamahan ka niya sa tagumpay. Number 2, do make time for them. Ang mga Leos, hindi talaga mahaba yung pasensya nila at hindi din sila nagmatyaga sa paghihintay sa wala. Hindi din nila carry yung isa sa isang relasyon that you're not spending a lot of time with them. They are not big on a relationship without feeding the needs of physical interaction and emotional interaction. Honestly, nirerespeto nila yung in order to achieve goals and success in any aspects, kailangan may patience and dedication. Pero, they also believe that you can do it all. So, pag kulang ka sa oras and spend time with them, hindi nila makita yung point na kung bakit pa sila nasa loob ng relasyon. So, if you want to keep your Leo in good spirit, honor your ambition and goals, but make sure that you make time, more time with them. Number 3, do be romantic. Well, alam naman natin lahat ng fire signs, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, na kapag may gusto silang gawin, gagawin nila talaga ito nang walang makakapagpigil sa kanila. Lahat ng tatlong ito, they are all or nothing. At ang mga Leo ang top sa mga fire signs into wanting it all. So if you're in a relationship with them, they want to bring out the best with fiery passion, excitement, and romance. So, if you want to get the best version of your Leo, make sure you be romantic. Keep these duos going strong and you will experience the deep connection, loyalty, and loving heart of your Leo. Now, if your Leo gets triggered to anger, then run for cover. At ito yung mga dark side ng mga Leos. They can become self-centered, overbearing, stubborn, and condescending. Ang mga fire signs, meron talaga yan silang confidence sa kanila dahil sa kanilang fiery disposition. Fire is a very strong element with lot of power. At ang Leo, pag magalit, nagiging sobra silang focus sa kung ano man yung kailangan nila. At may tendency na masuunahin nila yung sarili nila kaysa sa iba. So yes, they can be totally self-centered pag galit sila. At dahil sa confidence na yan, na sinasabi ko about fiery disposition, pag nagsisimula na silang mag-demand sa gusto nila, hindi sila mag-aatubili or hindi problema sa kanila ang utusan ang kung sino man sa paligid nila at mag-attempt na parang magrarally para makuha lang yung gusto nila. Para lang, kumbaga, pag galit sila, wala silang pakialam sa kung ano man yung sasabihin nila. Magdedemand sila sa kung ano man yung gusto nila. Hindi magkakaproblema ang isang Leo para utusan ang kahit na sino man na makahanap lang sila ng ebidensya para malaman lang nila yung totoo. Kaya they can be overbearing at of course, hindi nila bibitawan yung issue hanggang sa ma-resolve ito. Like, lahat ng fixed signs which are Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, and Leo for sure can be stubborn kapag puno na sila sa isang sitwasyon. So, they tend to take on and parang ako yung pinaka-importanteng tao dito. So, they can be condescending or judgmental pag galit na sila. So, dealing with Leos, tapos nagalit ito ng sobra, hindi mo talaga ikakatuwa. And because of this, it is best to make sure to do things that will not trigger your Leo in switching into their dark sides. To help you with this journey, ito naman yung mga wag mong gawin if you're in a relationship with Leo signs. So number 1, don't hold the past. There's nothing irritates a Leo more when someone can't get over the past. Ang isang Leo ay all about moving forward, living life, staying excited sa about kung ano man yung mga paparating. Pag mapapansin nila na binabalik-balik mo yung old issue, old dramas, and you can't let go sa mga past, so ihanda mo na din yung sarili mo to let go of them. Dahil hindi talaga nila makikita yung point kung bakit ibabalik mo pa yung issue na tapos na. So pag ikaw yung tao na ganito, then may karelasyon kang Leo, hayaan mo muna yung sarili mo na to figure out kung paano mo ma-resolve yung nakaraang issue na yan. Since ikaw yung merong issue, it's your responsibility to come up what you need from your Leo partner. At para matapos na kung ano man yung nagbabother sa iyo. Pag once na naka-decide ka na kung ano man yung solusyon sa issue na yan, na hindi mo nakakalimutan, then saka mo ito i-open up sa kanya. Let them know what you need and be specific. And sa pamagitan nito, magiging clear sa'yo if willing nila itong pag-usapan or hindi. Tapos, doon ka na magde-decide. Pero yung basta-basta mo lang dadalhin yung past issue ng walang outcome, ikakainis lang nila ito yun. And hindi mo lang magugustuhan talaga yun. Number 2, don't take them for granted. A Leo is a very cool partner to be with dahil more times than that, they are up to anything. Nagkukusa silang mag-effort when necessary. But if you don't take time to express your gratitude and appreciation for them, they will not respond favorably. Gusto ng mga Leo na ma-recognize sila sa kanilang mga effort. At pag nasa loob sila ng isang relasyon with someone na hindi na-appreciate at hindi nag-e-effort para ipakita sa kanila na na-appreciate mo yung mga ginagawa nila sa'yo. So, dito nagsisimula na magtatampo ang isang Leo sa'yo. At ang labas nito is arguments na ikaka-irita nila sa'yo. So, make sure that to let your Leo know na you know how lucky you are to have them in your life. Number 3, don't settle. Like lahat ng fire signs, ang Leo ay meron ding natural desires for more. If they like something, they want more of it. They have goals that they are working towards, and gusto din nila sa tao na may goals and dreams in life na gusto nyo ding ma-achieve sa buhay. If gusto mo makasama ang isang Leo, then don't settle for less. If makita nila sa'yo na kaya mong i-give up yung goals mo dahil gusto mo nang mag-settle for less, that feel mo na ito yung nakakabuti sa relasyon ninyo ng Leo, makakaramdam sila ng wait lang, pigilin ko muna itong relasyon na to. Dahil magkakaroon sa kanila ng pagdadalawang isip or fear na the relationship with you is just settling for less in life. At wala silang makukuha or maaasahan sa'yo. Dahil makikita niyang weak ka. At pag weak ka para sa kanya, well, pangit talaga yung outcome nito sa relasyon ninyo. You should know what you want in life and go for it. And you will have a strong partner to be by your side that will support you to your rise and fulfillment. So remember, hindi lahat ng Leo magkapareho dahil we're not just on our sun signs, nakadepende din ito sa kanilang moon signs and the rest of their placements. And ito naman yung differences ng mga Leo na lalaki sa Leo na babae. They both female and male love it when their partner is expressive with their feelings and show them the adoration that they crave. But with Leo woman, binabalik nila ito ng loving energy. Itong loving energy na to, binabalik nila ito ng higit pa kaysa sa Leo men. Ang isang Leo men naman, magaling sila sa ipapakita nila yung taong mahal nila ay importante sa kanila. Kaya lang medyo may pagkamahirap sa kanila na hindi mag-focus sa sarili nila. Pero yung Leo na babae, although she love adoration, gusto din nila yung nakakaramdam sila ng na-appreciate mo sila at mahal mo talaga sila. At kaya nilang iparamdam yun sa'yo, yung feeling na yan, kaya nilang ibalik yun sa'yo pag nakikita nilang patas yung labanan. Pero sa Leo na lalaki usually start off very strong, but it can be very hard to hold his interest. So both of them are loving, exciting to be with, but with the Leo man can be a bit of more self-centered and medyo pabago-bago. At sa Leo na babae can be hard to keep up with, pero pag pinapakita mo naman yung desires niya, you will get a tidal wave of love in return. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na ang isang Leo na lalaki ay hindi maganda karelasyon. I mean, Leo man can be very loving, he can be caring, he can be protective, all these exciting things. However, kailangan mo lang i-take yung consideration that maraming mga bagay sa mundo na nakapaligid sa kanya. And they are those Leos na they love exploring as well. They love adventures and they love to have fun. And kaya hindi naman ibig sabihin na nakakatakot silang karelasyon. It's just that kailangan mo lang na maging open-minded as well. So that's it for Leos for today.